In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract shapes in Inkscape. Subtracting shapes, often called making a cutout, is a core vector editing move. It lets you use one shape to carve a hole out of another, which is perfect for logos, icons, and clean geometric designs. Here's how to do it clearly and reliably. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Once it opens, either create a new document or open an existing file you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, draw the shape you want to keep, like a rectangle or circle. This will be the base. Then, draw the shape you'll use as the cutter, the piece you want to remove from the base. Using contrasting fill colors on each shape makes it easy to see what's happening as you work. Make sure the cutter shape is sitting on top of the base shape. Stacking order matters here. The shape on top will be the one that subtracts from the one underneath. If you're not sure which is on top, look for the tiny overlap cues on the canvas, or use the raise and lower controls to adjust the order until the cutter is clearly above the base. Position and size the cutter exactly where you want the hole to appear. The Align and Distribute panel can help center or align edges if you need precision. Next, select both objects at the same time. Hold Shift and click the base shape. Then, Shift-click the cutter, or drag a selection box around both. You should see both shapes highlighted. Inkscape's status bar at the bottom will confirm how many objects are selected, which is a handy way to double-check before you proceed. With both objects selected, go to the Path menu at the top and choose Difference. There's also a quick keyboard shortcut if you prefer, Ctrl plus the minus key. As soon as you apply it, the operation happens instantly. You'll notice the top object disappears, and the bottom object now has a hole in the exact shape of the cutter. That hole is truly transparent, so anything behind it will show through. The result is a single path, which you can move, recolor, or add a stroke to just like any other shape. If the result isn't what you expected, use Undo to step back and adjust the stack order or the cutter's position before trying again. That's all there is to subtracting shapes in Inkscape. Launch, open or create, place the cutter on top, select both, go to Path, and choose Difference. Clean, fast, and incredibly useful.